Nestled into the forested slopes along the Case Inlet, this retreat presents a harmonious blend of modern architecture and nature's serenity. With sweeping views of the Olympic Mountains and the Puget Sound, the 2,600 square foot sanctuary rests on a 20-acre plot of land, a site the owners had cherished for years. The main structure, clad in weathered cedar, speaks to the rugged environment, while a bold concrete cantilever projects the living and dining areas outward, suspended in the embrace of towering trees. It's here, within the dense forest, that the retreat reveals its connection to the landscape, opening up entirely toward the natural splendor beyond. As you enter the retreat, the open-plan living and dining area welcomes you with expansive, floor-to-ceiling glass walls that frame the natural world as if it were a living artwork. High ceilings, designed to evoke the feeling of sitting amidst the trees, create a sense of boundlessness. Light filters through the glass, casting delicate shadows that shift throughout the day, mimicking the rhythms of nature. A broad, flat roof hovers above the space, providing an upper-level terrace that can be accessed by a sleek steel staircase. From this elevated vantage point, views of the sound stretch before you, while the forest canopy seems just within reach. The contrast between the retreat spaces is striking. The bedroom wing, mostly opaque and clad in weathered cedar, stands in sharp juxtaposition to the transparency of the living areas. This wing offers intimate spaces for rest, with small apertures piercing the exterior, creating focused connections to the forest outside. The master suite, in particular, celebrates this interaction with nature. A large opening over the bath brings the experience of bathing into the forest itself, allowing natural light to pour in and offering a tranquil space for reflection. The owners describe it as their favorite spot to end the day, often with a glass of wine in hand, immersed in the serenity of their surroundings. Outside, the retreat flows seamlessly into the landscape. An ipe deck extends from the kitchen into an open meadow, separated only by a sliding glass wall. This fluid transition from indoors to outdoors enhances the sense of immersion in nature. The deck, with its rich, natural wood tones, becomes an extension of the meadow itself, inviting the afternoon sun to warm the space and create a perfect gathering spot for friends and family. The simplicity of the design ensures that the focus remains on the connection between the building and the land, a constant interplay of openness and shelter. The site, located on the Key Peninsula, is one that the owners have long cherished. Over the years, they visited the meadow along the ridge, camping in its sunny expanse and paddling the waters of the Sound. The relationship between the shelter and the land was clear from the beginning. When they decided to build, They envisioned a modern yet humble retreat, a space that would blend seamlessly with the environment while providing comfort for both intimate moments and larger gatherings. The result is a home that unfolds into the landscape, offering unique experiences in each room. In the evening, as the sun dips behind the mountains and the sky is painted in hues of orange and pink, the retreat transforms. Light glows softly from within, illuminating the glass walls and casting long shadows across the meadow. The quiet hum of the forest provides a soothing backdrop, a reminder that this place is, above all, a sanctuary, a modern refuge where nature's beauty is ever present. At its heart, this retreat is a place of reflection, a sanctuary where nature and architecture exist in perfect harmony. Whether gazing out over the sound from the cantilevered living room or stepping onto the upper terrace to breathe in the scent of pine, the retreat offers a sense of immersion in the natural world. It is a place where the line between indoors and outdoors blurs, and the rhythms of the forest become intertwined with daily life.